The heart of a smart home lies in its gadgets. They're the ones that bring the concept of a smart home to life. Let's dive into some of the latest smart gadgets that are making waves in the world of technology. First off, we have smart speakers. These compact devices pack a punch, providing not only high-quality audio, but also an intelligent assistant that can answer questions, set reminders, control other smart devices, and even order pizza. They're like your personal assistant, always ready to lend a helping hand. Next, we have smart thermostats. These little wonders learn your temperature preferences over time and adjust themselves accordingly. Then, there are smart lights, which you can control using your smartphone or voice commands. You can adjust the brightness, change the color, and even set schedules. Imagine waking up to a gentle sunrise effect right in your bedroom, or setting the mood for a movie night with a single command. Smart cameras, too, have revolutionized home security. They send real-time alerts to your smartphone when they detect any unusual activity. Some even have facial recognition, distinguishing between family members and strangers. Let's not forget smart plugs. These handy devices can turn any appliance into a smart one. Left the coffee maker on? No worries, just turn it off from your phone. And finally, we have smart locks. With these, you can control who enters your home and when, all from your smartphone. You can even assign temporary access codes for guests or service providers. All these gadgets work together seamlessly, creating a harmonious smart home ecosystem.
So, let's explore a day in the life of a smart home, where robots are more than just machines. Imagine a day where your morning is as smooth as a well-oiled machine, thanks to the assistance of a robot. Let's kick things off with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. A robot can whip up a healthy breakfast for you and your family, all the while ensuring that the nutritional needs of each member are taken care of. From flipping pancakes to brewing that perfect cup of coffee, it's all in a day's work for our mechanical friend. And it's not just the humans who get to enjoy the benefits. Picture this, your furry companion wagging their tail in excitement as the robot fetches their favorite toy for a quick game. Picture this, it's a sunny day and your windows could use some cleaning. No need to worry about that precarious ladder or the streaks left behind. Your robot companion, with its precise movements and meticulous programming, can handle the task with ease. Next, it moves to the garden. The gentle hum of the robot fills the air as it tends to your plants. It waters them, trims the overgrown branches, and even checks the soil's health. It's like having a green thumb, but without the dirt under your nails. Whether it's a classic board game or a high-tech VR experience, these machines can adapt and learn, bringing a new level of competition and camaraderie to your family game nights. Now, how about story time? With an extensive database of fables, fairy tales, and bedtime stories, these robots can weave magical narratives for the children. The stories can be customized, ensuring that the little ones get to hear what they love the most, making bedtime a delightful experience. Evenings are also a great time for some exercise, and these robots can turn into personal trainers. Their eyes never resting. They keep a watchful eye over your home throughout the night, providing a sense of safety and security for you and your family.
Motion sensors play a pivotal role in smart homes, adding a layer of convenience and security. Who knew toilets could be smart too? Well, welcome to the future where even the humble toilet isn't left behind. Smart toilets bring a whole new level of comfort and hygiene to your bathroom. They come equipped with automatic flush sensors, eliminating the need to touch any surface, and some even offer a drying feature for that extra bit of luxury. What if your windows could display more than the outside world? Imagine a world where windows are not just glass panes, but interactive screens that can display anything from a tropical beach to a snowy mountain peak. This is the reality with virtual windows in smart homes. They can transform your living space, providing immersive experiences and changing atmospheres at the touch of a button. Electric cars fueled by your dwelling, excess energy traded back to the grid, and intelligent abodes regulating electricity consumption. Let's venture on a voyage to delve into the future of residential energy. The wind, a free, sustainable energy source powering our homes. Sunlight, an abundant source of energy waiting to be tapped. Imagine innovative solar panels, not just your typical squares or rectangles, but a myriad of shapes that can be mounted anywhere. From circular discs to triangular prisms, these designs are pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. But solar and wind aren't the only sources of renewable energy. Let's delve into the depths of our planet with geothermal energy, where heat from the Earth's core is converted into electricity. Picture future homes tapping into this limitless, always-on power source. Then there's hydroelectric power, the might of moving water, and miniature turbines in your local streams, generating power for your home. These are but glimpses of how we can harness the power of earth and water for a sustainable future. Imagine a world where your electric car charges overnight from the energy generated by your home. The excess solar or wind energy your home generates during the day, stored and ready to power your vehicle. By harnessing renewable energy sources like wind and solar, future homes can generate more power than they consume. This excess energy doesn't go to waste. It feeds back into the grid, reducing the overall demand on power plants. This isn't just good for the environment, it's good for your wallet too. Your home, an energy producer, and an income generator. Imagine your home alerting you of excessive power usage. That's the future we're heading towards, where smart homes are not just about convenience, but also about responsible energy management. If they detect a spike in usage, they instantly notify the homeowner. This allows for immediate action, preventing wasteful energy consumption. Imagine a personal security guard flying over your property. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but the reality of drone surveillance. These high-tech helpers are more than just eyes in the sky. They can detect abnormalities like a fallen plant in your garden or even a potential threat from an animal. The drone then promptly reports these incidents, allowing you to take immediate action. This is not just about convenience, it's about enhancing your security. Drones, the future of home security. We've explored the potential of electric vehicles and the profitability of selling excess electricity. From smart energy and water management to soil condition analysis and drone surveillance, every innovation propels us forward.